Okay, so I've got a KTM 150 XC-W 2020. I banged up the pipe a little bit over the past riding season, and it's really tough to find a new expansion chamber for these, so I ended up picking up a HydraForce, this tool right here that my arm is blocking, and you get the dents out with water. So I've hopefully correctly attached these connections, and I've gotten, I believe, all of the air out of the pipe. I'll try one more time to just make sure I've got all the air out. They say not to have any air in when you try to expand the pipe with water, probably to avoid blowing the seams. So just double check all the air is out. I think we're there. I'm gonna put this cap back on, and we're gonna see if I'm able to get these pretty big dents out with some water pressure, and hopefully I've got everything connected so I don't get hurt or water spray everywhere. So there's the dent, one of the big dents, and there's a few other small dents. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but we'll see what happens here if the dent is right in this area. Oh yeah. It's moving out. I don't know if you can see it. I've seen a couple of these videos where the connections come undone. We're at 150 psi right now. It's 200. The big dent is almost all out. There's still some smaller dents, so we'll increase the pressure. They're starting to move as well. .300 psi. I don't know how high to take it. I don't want to split a seam, and I don't want the caps to fly off. .350 psi. Some very small dings still exist. I'm gonna bring it maybe up to 400. And that's 400 right there. I think I'm gonna stop there just because I don't know how much pressure I should put in the pipe. So I think I can release the pressure. I'll release this, or I don't know if I'll release it yet or not, but anyway, So the water that's you see in the pipe is from the bin that I had it sitting in when I did my initial fill on the pipe. But they brought that dent out pretty well. There's still some dings in here, but I don't know if those will come out with the water pressure or not. Anyway, that was it. First round using the HydraForce.